Hello and welcome to Ace Wood Crafts. Today, we are assembling our premium Sheesham wood folding service trolley. Notice how compactly it ships in our secure corrugated packaging, measuring just 30 by 18 by 6 inches. Let's separate the parts. This entire trolley is crafted from solid first-grade Sheesham wood. Just look at the intricate brass inlay and fine hand carving. It is designed not just for utility but as a statement piece for your home or hotel. We start the assembly with the base platform. Take the beautifully carved wooden pillars and connect them to the wheels through the base. It uses a very simple traditional wooden screw mechanism. Just turn the pillars clockwise to thread them in. Stand the 4 pillars up straight and your foundation is ready. Next, let's attach the bottle holder to the base shelf. You will find 2 holes here. First, attach the 2 small wooden support pillars and then mount the bottle holder securely onto them. Now, carefully place the beautifully detailed top shelf onto the 4 main pillars. Secure it by attaching the top wooden knobs. A quick pro tip from our workshop: remember that all threads tighten clockwise and open anti-clockwise. At this stage, do not tighten everything completely. Leave a little room so you can perfectly align all the parts. Finally, let's attach the handle. Open the smaller pillar knobs, connect the base part of the handle using the screw bolt system, and attach it to the top shelf. Once every part is connected and aligned, go ahead and give all the joints a final clockwise tightening for perfect balance and structural stability. And there you have it. A stunning fully assembled service trolley measuring 31 inches in length, 18 in depth, and 30 in height. Smooth mobility, timeless design, and unmatched Saharanpur craftsmanship. Send us a message to place your order today.